Everybody just showed their Zeke. Hey, what's up, Zeke? Let's see, what's up, Zeke? There's Pearl. Pearl. Move, man! There's Battle. Say hi, Battle. Oh.
Okay.
Shagabara.
There's Chubby. Looking angry. Who's over here? Oh, his baby. Hi, baby. It's you. Say hi.
Am I making a video?
Yes.
Hello.
Ew.
Zeke again.
Ew. Anyway. Where's your mom? What do you mean it's broken?
The key. Oh, wet.
We're gonna go back. Because yesterday, someone threw the key on the table, and we went inside the cup and there's water.
She didn't mean to throw it in the cup.
Oh. So now what?
They called the
They're
guy.
calling the guys to come see it.
Oh.
Maybe the part of the deal with the key.
Wow.
They're gonna go back and pick it up.
Oh, man.
I put all these clothes on the couch.
It's Puka. Say hi, Puka.
Hi.
Can you play that? Can you play that? Let me see. Play it. Alright, play it so we can get it on camera. Good job. Good job. Alright. Oh, it sounds good.
This one?
Hi, Melon.
Wait, which one?
Oh, really? I still got you. Say hi, Mom. Can you see yourself? Oh, okay. I just want to make sure I got you in there in the video. Oh.